So for my fifth and final new technologies tutorial, I selected the Remind app. Um, so Remind app isn't necessarily a new technology, but it's something that I utilize on a regular basis. Communication. I've got almost 200 students that I have to worry about, and trying to find a way to communicate with each of them um, without making it too personal, I guess, was difficult until I discovered Remind 101. Again, that was years ago. So target audience would be parents and students. The reason I selected is to teach parents and students to use technology to communicate school events and updates. The goal is to keep everyone informed and to have open communication using one form of technology. So I've got this set up with different teams. So I've got the academic team. I've got our color guard, our drill team, staff members. It's kind of the upper cadre. And then last but not least, where the majority of the communication goes on is the entire unit as a whole. Of course, it's some of these students they may not have cell phones, um, but their parents do, or they may have a cell phone but they don't have data, which means they cannot send or receive text messages unless they're on some form of Wi-Fi. So there are other challenges when you're talking about inner city schools and underprivileged children. But again, just a great way to communicate, and I choose to keep open communication with the parents. I don't disable the responses because I do like to hear what they have to say. It's a great way. All communication is tracked. It's open. It's transparent. There's no issues of communicating one on one with individual students or parents, for that matter. But again, great website for communication. I use it every day just about. All right, that's it. And thank you very much.